Attention. School. Stand at ease. School. Attention. Salute. Order. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. Bharat Mata ki Jai. School. Get ready for the Swachhata pledge. Pledge begin.
Mahatma Gandhi had dreamed of an India which is not only free but also clean and developed. Mahatma Gandhi secured freedom for Mother India. Now it is our duty to serve our Mother India by keeping the country neat and clean. I take this pledge that I will remain committed towards cleanliness and devote time for this. I will devote 100 hours per year, that is 2 hours per week, to voluntary work for cleanliness. I will neither litter nor let others to litter. I will initiate the quest for cleanliness with myself, my family, my locality, my village and workplace. I believe that the countries of the world which appear clean are so because their citizens don't indulge in littering, nor do they allow it to happen. With this firm belief, I will propagate the message of Swachh Bharat mission in villages and towns. I will encourage 100 other persons to take this pledge, which I am taking today. I will endeavor to make them devote their 100 hours of cleanliness. I am confident that every step I take towards cleanliness will help make my country clean. Jai Hind!
School. Stand at ease. School. Attention. Get ready for the prayer. Prayer begin.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु आँखों में बस जाओ अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना बहा दो ज्ञान की गंगा दिलों में प्रेम का सागर अंधे हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना हमारा धर्म हो सेवा हमारा कर्म हो सेवा सदा ईमान हो सेवा व सेवक जन बना देना वतन के वास्ते जीना वतन के वास्ते मरना वतन पर जान फिदा करना प्रभु हमको सिखा देना दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना, दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना। ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
School, stand at ease.
Make this planet cleaning to live life cleaning. Clean habits and right habits both give nature a nice look. It should be everyone's dream to keep the earth clean and green. Good morning. With these words, we, the students of class 11A, are here with today's assembly program. With Commander Harishankar, the prayer was sung by Radhika, the Swachhata pledge by Anaya, the companion by Devi Krishna and Lucia, the pledge by Sriraj, the thought is presented by Hira, the news is by Ryan Antonio and Nivya, the special item by Varsha and Fatima, and the new word is by Rose and Avinash.
As a citizen of India, we have some duties towards our country. Pledge instill a sense of patriotism amongst us. So let's take and vow with Sriraj.
School, attention. Get ready for the pledge. Pledge, begin.
India is my country, and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and to my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
School, stand at ease.
You have the power to change your thoughts, and your thoughts can change your life. So here is Hira with a refreshing thought.
Good morning. Today's thought: in every aspect of life, purity and holiness, cleanliness and refinement exalt the human condition. Even in the physical realm, cleanliness will conduce to spirituality, meaning cleanliness is a state of purity, clarity, and precision. I repeat my thought: in every aspect of life, purity and holiness, cleanliness and refinement exalt the human condition. Even in the physical realm, cleanliness will conduce to spirituality. Thank you.
Do you all read newspaper or heard news in the morning today? I'm sure you couldn't. But don't worry. To update us about the happenings around the world, here comes Nivya and Ryan.
Very warm good morning to all of you present here. Myself Ryan and my friend Nivya are here to acknowledge you with today's headlines. First, some international news. Pavina Patel became the first ever Indian paddler to win a medal at Paralympic in table tennis. China has banned children from playing games for more than 3 hours a week. Next, some national news. Indian Railways has set the rolling for manufacturing 100 Vande Bharat Express train sets by March 2024. 9 new Supreme Court judges take oath. It is the first time as many as 9 judges were sworn into Supreme Court in a single stroke. National Nutrition Week is observed from 1st September to 7th September to bring awareness among importance of nutrition. Now let's check some sports news. Tokyo Paralympics. Mariappan wins silver. Seret bronze in high jump. Manchester United re-signed Cristiano Ronaldo from Juventus. Passing on to Nivea for some state and Himachali news.
Thank you, Ryan. Now some state news. Night curfew on Monday due to amid rise in cases. Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan announced that the COVID review meeting, which earlier in the day had decided that night curfew would be enforced in the state at 10 p.m. a.m. every night. Chellanam announces rupees 344 crore coastal protection project for Chellanam as part of Kerala to protect the 630-kilometer coastline of Chellanam from sea erosion. State Water Resource Minister announced 344.2 comprehensive project at Chellanam Bazaar on Monday. Now some Himachali news. Shipyard train speed upgrades hinges on new brake. The Northern Railway has not scrapped the project to enhance the speed of trains on the Kalkatla Heritage section. The installation of these air brakes in trains reduced travel time by 30 to 60 minutes. Himachal Pradesh University to set up high-tech classrooms. Himachal Pradesh University in Shillong is going to set up high-tech virtual classrooms in each teaching department. Professor Sikendra Kumar is going to provide university laptop to all the teachers to strengthen the education. That's all for today's news. Thank you.
Cleanliness is a mindset, a positive habit that keeps the body, mind, and environment happy, healthy, simple, neat, and delightful. So, here is Varsha and Fatima with today's special item.
Good morning to one and all present here. Myself Fatima and my friend Varsha are here with today's special item based on Swachhata.
Hi Fatima,
Hello Varsha.
do you know what happened yesterday? Yesterday, I went for a birthday party and I was so sad to see the situation there.
What situation? Parties are for enjoying. I'm always happy when I visit a party.
Yeah, we can enjoy a lot in parties, but we are not thinking that we are harming our environment.
Harming our environment? What are you talking about, Varsha? I'm not able to understand anything.
I'm telling about the carelessness of people. In yesterday's party, everyone was littering waste on the ground, which included food waste, paper cups, etc. When I reached the party spot, it was so beautiful and clean. But when I was about to leave, it was so ugly.
Oh, I never thought of that. It's really a matter of concern. In spite of so much awareness, people are still doing the same.
Yes, but we can't stay quiet. We should do something.
I think we can create awareness amongst our friends and schoolmates. If we all stay together, we can create some sort of a change.
Yeah, that's a good idea. My mother says that if we want someone to take up a good habit, we should show them by doing it ourselves rather than asking others.
Yeah, that's right. First, we have to take action, then only we can make others aware of the need of cleanliness.
So, I think we should study about waste management first and then get into the action.
Yeah, I read an article about Swachhata 2 days before. It also included information about how we can contribute to our country to make our country clean and about waste management.
Oh, that's great. Can you tell me what was written in it?
Yes, the article was really informative. First, it was about the need of cleanliness. We should keep our surroundings clean because our surrounding environment creates a great impact on our physical and mental health. If the surroundings are clean, we will feel more energetic and our day will be great.
Oh, yes, that's true. When I see my room clean, I feel so fresh.
Then it is mentioned in that article that waste disposal in open causes great threat to our environment and indirectly it affects our health. Insects and other organisms act as carriers and causes various diseases. Hence, proper management of waste is very important. The most important part is that we can do many things to keep our area clean, like not littering any waste and don't allow others to litter. Place waste disposers in public places. Use more eco-friendly products instead of plastic materials and many more like this. By making the small changes, we can create a great effect and we can make our locality clean.
And do you know, I have read somewhere that in India, according to the census conducted by Swachh Survekshan results, Indore in India is the cleanest city, and I wish our whole country could become like that.
Sure, that day is not so far from us, and by making this true, we are fulfilling the dream of our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
We hope that this program was helpful for all our friends and teachers who are watching this program.
Please apply this in your daily life and make India a clean India. Thank you and have a nice day.
You can learn new things at any time in your life if you are willing to be a beginner. If you actually learn like a beginner, the whole world opens up to you. Here is Avinash and Rose with today's new word.
Good morning, everyone. Today's new word is asepsis. A-S-E-P-S-I-S. Asepsis.
Meaning the process of removing pathogenic microorganisms or protecting against infection by such organisms. Sentence: maintaining a strict asepsis during any medical procedure is vital in preventing the occurrence of the disease. Thank you.
It's now or never. Let's take the oath we will keep our country clean forever. With this quote, we conclude today's morning assembly program. Stay healthy and happy. We promise to meet you again with new thought, thinking, and better performance. Thank you and have a nice day.
School, attention. Get ready for the national anthem. National anthem begin.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जाहे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
School, disperse.